I'm leaning on the curb, sipping syrup, blowing dro. I'm pull up, wolves, gripping balls, tipping still low. I'm leaning on the curb, sipping syrup, blowing dro. I'm pull up, wolves, gripping balls, tipping still low. I'm leaning on the curb, sipping syrup, blowing dro.
Another episode of Street Motor Works. So right now, I'm on my way to go get the tires mounted. We're going to the track. I'm taking the truck with no head, just cause we like to party here at Street Motor Works. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I got the tires with me. I got some Raptor wheels. I'll be showing y'all them here in a little bit. And I'm just trying to get the trucks ready. We're gonna take my little brother-in-law's mine to the track, and yeah, it should be fun. We're gonna see what the truck runs. I got a tune from 5-Star Tuning. They hooked me up with the tune, so I'll be installing that in the truck later. It's just gonna have an E85 performance tune. So yeah, man, we should have some fun, see what the truck runs, and yeah, we'll see you guys later. F150 to be specific. So I got email tunes from 5-Star Tuning. Shout out to 5-Star Tuning for getting me all my tunes. They gave me 3 E85 93 performance tune and 85 octane adaptive, so anything 85 or above octane level, it'll self-adjust. So right now I'm gonna install this JLT coulter intake and see what's up. But yeah, we got that 5-Star Tuning E85 tune in it that I'm gonna put in it, so y'all stay tuned.
What we do here is go back.
My friend. Oh yeah, hold on, let me get that. How to make your truck faster right here with Street Motor Works, brother. This is a goddamn junkyard built. Give it a little gas. Alright guys, so we installed the coulter intake, and probably gonna install the tail lights temporary and then take it for a spin. God damn, bro, this is some country hillbilly shit.
Alright guys, about to run the 10 speed. It's basically stock. We're gonna see what it does. I'm gonna try to run some whatever. Homeboy Utopia, he's here. We're probably gonna run them just for fun. Just fun runs. See what it does. Why not? Let me see this right dog. Couple birds. Go both on what? How far can we go? Yeah, I'm telling them, like, whenever I run it with mine, it's like, like there's nothing, no difference or nothing like that.
Yeah, I didn't like it. I was like, fuck it. We can run it thumb down.